Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be giving you guys a brief update about how the 5 month maximum hair growth challenge has been going for me. And also, if you're new to my channel, I'm just going to be explaining very briefly what the 5 month maximum hair growth challenge is and what it's all about. If you like to join, or if you just like to watch those who have joined till December and see how it turns out for us. So guys, the 5 months maximum hair growth challenge is a period of time that we use only natural products to take care of our hair. So everything from shampooing to conditioning and styling is only natural products. So we use natural products in trying to thicken our hair, grow it longer, and obviously get to a point of healthy hair growth. During this period, I'm also going to be touching on tips and tricks that can help you grow your hair faster, as well as things that prevent your hair from growing. So if you're really interested in joining this journey, then you're so welcome. I'm going to leave the link to the videos you need to watch in order to meet up with us so far in the challenge. So that out of the way, in this video, like I already said, I'm going to be giving you guys an update of how things have been going for me. So it's been 2 months since I've been on this journey, and I decided to come share with you guys how everything has been going. I started this journey and my hair was 12 inches, as you guys can see in this picture right here. And after trying out the shampoos, the deep conditioner, the hair growth oil, alongside the techniques I've been sharing with you guys that can help you minimize breakage and boost hair growth, I've been able to grow and retain 2 inches in 2 months. Now guys, I know these for some people might not be extraordinary, but for me, that my hair actually grows slightly below ½ an inch a month, I feel it is super impressive for me to grow and retain 1 inch per month. So everything being equal, if I've grown 1 inch every month and I'm able to continue like this till December, it therefore means by December my hair is going to be 17 inches, which that's a lot to leave from 12 inches to 17 inches in just 4 months. So I also noticed that some of you guys are on this journey with me, but you guys don't tag me on Instagram or on Facebook, so I can see your progress and your remedies and see if everything is going well for you. Please guys, I'll be so happy to know how this challenge is going for you, because the aim for me sharing my 5 months maximum hair growth challenge was to help someone out there. So it really gives me a lot of joy to know that I'm actually reaching out to those who need my help and you're actually trying this. And I would like to know, like, how do you find the challenge so far for you, so you not be like I'm the only one having results from the challenge so far. I actually love to know if you all also have some results, or if you have noticed some change in your hair, or if your hair has grown faster or thicker, or whatever the case may be. Please just let me know down in the comment section how the journey has been for you. I'll be so grateful. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.